Ever been unsure if you're really allowed to breastfeed in public? Or if your job has to give you time to pump? You're not alone. Breastfeeding laws in the US can feel confusing, but knowing your rights can make all the difference. Hey there, and welcome back to Newborn Care Guide, your go-to channel for everything new parents need to know. Today, we're breaking down the breastfeeding laws every mom in the USA should know. Whether you're nursing your newborn or planning to go back to work soon, this is information that can protect you, empower you, and help you feel confident feeding your baby, anywhere and anytime. Let's start with the big one. 1. Breastfeeding in public is protected. In all 50 states, yep, you heard that right. Every single state, plus Washington, D.C., has laws that allow moms to breastfeed in public and private locations. That includes restaurants, parks, malls, stores, even airports. So if someone tells you to cover up or go somewhere else, remember, you have the legal right to feed your baby wherever you're allowed to be. Some states go further and specifically say that breastfeeding is not considered indecent exposure. That helps clarify any confusion when someone tries to make you feel uncomfortable. 2. Workplace pumping rights. Break time and privacy. Under federal law, if you're covered by the Fair Labor Standards Act, FLSA, your employer must give you reasonable break time to express breast milk, a private space, not a bathroom, to pump during the workday. This rule applies for up to 1 year after your baby's birth. Now, here's the catch, not all employees are covered. The Pump for Nursing Mothers Act, passed in 2022, closed a lot of loopholes, giving more moms, especially salaried employees, these same protections. So whether you work in an office or a factory, chances are you now have legal rights to pump at work. Still, if you're unsure whether your employer is required to follow these rules, talk to HR or check with the U.S. Department of Labor. 3. State-level protections may go even further. Some states offer additional protections beyond the federal law. For example, California requires employers to provide suitable accommodation and cannot discriminate against breastfeeding employees. New York gives moms the right to pump at work for up to 3 years after childbirth. Oregon mandates that break time for expressing milk is paid. So it's worth checking the laws in your state. You might have more rights than you think. 4. Jury duty and breastfeeding. If you're called for jury duty while breastfeeding, some states allow you to postpone or be excused. Laws vary, but states like Illinois, California, and Virginia have special provisions for nursing moms. If you're summoned, contact the court right away. Many will reschedule your service without any penalty. 5. Breastfeeding and child custody. This one surprises people. In custody or visitation disputes, breastfeeding can be a factor. While there's no federal law, courts in many states may consider the breastfeeding relationship when deciding custody arrangements, especially with very young infants. If you're facing this situation, it's important to talk with a family law attorney who understands how your state handles breastfeeding in custody. 6. Insurance must cover breastfeeding supplies. Under the Affordable Care Act, most insurance plans are required to cover a breast pump, lactation counseling, often at no cost to you. That means you can usually get a new pump through your insurance. So don't go spending hundreds of dollars without checking your benefits first. 7. No one can force you to stop, not even schools or daycares. If your child is in daycare and you want to nurse at drop-off or pickup, you can. Some moms have even been told they can't breastfeed on school grounds. That's not okay. If you're legally allowed to be there, you're legally allowed to breastfeed there too. Breastfeeding shouldn't come with fear, shame, or confusion, and knowing your legal rights is one of the best ways to protect yourself and your baby. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a new video from Newborn Care Guide. Got a question about your rights or a story to share? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching Newborn Care Guide. You've got the right to feed your baby with confidence, and now you've got the knowledge to back it up. Until next time, take care of yourself and that little one.